Hi, my name is Gurney and I'm one of the members of the Frog Logs team, and today I will be going over exponential and logarithmic equations from chapter 5.4. So to start off, we're going to be talking about some rules for solving these equations. First rule, a to the power of x equals a to the power of y only if x equals y. Second rule, log base ax equals log base ay only if x equals y. Third rule are extraneous roots. You must always check solutions for extraneous roots, and remember that in log base ax, x is greater than 0, a is greater than 0, and a cannot equal 1. You must also know how to change equations from log to exponential and vice versa. Now for our first question, we're going to be looking at logarithmic equations to solve for x. So we have log base 2 x plus 5 plus log base 2 x plus 1 equal to 5. Now the property of logs allows you to combine two logs into a single log. So you get log base 2 x plus 5 times x plus 1 equal to 5, the product property. Now that we only have one log, we're going to change it into its exponential form. 2 raised to the power of 5 is equal to what's inside the brackets. Now 2 raised to the power of 5 equals x plus 5 and x plus 1. Now 2 raised to the power of 5 is 32, and if you FOIL what's inside, you get x squared plus 6x plus 5. Now for the second step, we have to subtract 32 from both sides, where you will obtain 0 equals x squared plus 6x minus 27. Now what two numbers gives you 6 and what two numbers multiplies to gives you negative 27 is x plus 9 and x minus 3, where then you set them equal to 0. So x plus 9 set to 0 will give you x equals negative 9. And x minus 3 set to 0 will give you x equals positive 3. Now if you remember to check the extraneous roots, you'll remember that now in log x, x is greater than 0. Therefore, x equals 3 because the logarithmic is not negative. Now for our second equation, we're going to be solving by logarithms. We have 2 to the power of 3x equals 5 to the power of x minus 1. And if you remember that property, if a equals b, then log a equals log b. So for our first step, we'll be setting them into logs. So log 2 to the power of 3x equals log 5 to the power of x minus 1, which is product and property rule. And then for our second step, you bring the exponential over. Get 3x log 2 equals x minus 1 log 5, where then you multiply and you get 3x log 2 equals x log 5 and negative log 5. And then you use addition and you bring x log 5 over to the other side. And you get x log 5 minus 3x log 2 equals log then use the factor and property law to factor out x. Equal to log 5. And now all you do is solve, change of base, so you divide this by this, and you get x equals log 5 all over log 5 minus 3 log 2. Now this is an acceptable answer, but to go further you have to simplify the solution, where you get x equals log 5 over log 5 over 2 to the power of 3. And you get log base 5 over 8 all over 5. And that is your final answer.